How to manage duplicate photos? Here's how to do it. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Tap the Albums tab at the bottom of the screen. Now scroll down to the Utilities section and tap Duplicates. Here, you'll see photos and videos that your iPhone has identified as duplicates. To combine duplicate copies and save storage space, tap Merge next to the set of duplicates. Then tap Merge again to confirm. Your iPhone will keep the highest quality version and combine any relevant data, while the extra duplicate copies will be moved to the recently deleted album. If you don't want to merge a set of duplicates, simply leave it as it is, or manually delete any copies you no longer need. If you don't see the duplicates album, your iPhone may still be scanning your photo library, or there may not be any duplicate photos to display. And that's it. You've successfully managed duplicate photos on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to videos.